Climate? What is climate? Climate. Wait, did you say climate? What is climate? Climate. What's climate? Climate.
Well, hello, third graders. You probably guessed it. Today we're talking about climate. Climate is a little different than weather. So what's the difference? Climate versus weather. Have you figured it out? What is the difference between climate and weather? Hey, wait a minute. Why am I wearing a lab coat? Scientists don't always wear lab coats, do they? Scientists look just like you and me, and sometimes they wear t-shirts. Ha! Let's get rid of the lab coat. Wow! Let's explore climate. You already know about weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere in a certain place at a certain time. It includes things like air temperature, wind speed, wind direction, cloud cover, things you're recording in your weather journal. Now, climate is a little different. Climate is the pattern of that weather over a long period of time, like 30 years or more, sometimes hundreds. So climate also includes things like temperature, but it's the average temperature of a region, a large area. It's the average rainfall of an area, maybe how much moisture is in the air or humidity. Climate happens over a long period. Weather happens in a short-term period. Some people say a little saying that weather is what you get. Climate is what you expect. Now you know the difference between weather and climate. How would you characterize the climate that you live in? If you think about the years that you've been around, you've noticed that you live in a climate where we have 4 distinct seasons: summer, fall, winter, spring. And you notice it gets warm, even hot sometimes in the summer, and cold in the winter. That characterizes our climate, called a temperate climate. Temperate means moderate. Compared to some other climates that we'll talk about on Thursday, we have a moderate climate with an average amount of rainfall, average temperature differences. So our temperate climate is a climate that I enjoy living in. It's found in between the equator and the poles on the earth. Much of the United States is in the temperate climate. Now, how about this? Look at the resources that come along with this lesson. And for a student response, tell us the characteristics of a temperate climate. And also, let's see if you can remember and compare and contrast weather and climate. I can't wait to see your work. It will be awesome. Next time, we'll learn about the other climate zones in this wonderful world that you live in. Peace out, friends.